Give it to the cow. Hey, what are you doing?
Teasing the cow. Give me a tease. I got wood laying around here. I got to get it sawed up.
We got that sawzall that we got from Pops, the cordless one sitting there.
Yeah.
That's probably the best bet. Don't have to fire up a generator or nothing. Give it to the cow. Come on, look. There you go. Yeah. Good work, sweetie pie. Go ahead. Whoa.
Now, what do you want me to do with this?
Oh, I see.
Handful at a time.
Is that good enough for the cow, huh? Awesome neighbors are out of wood tonight. I don't know how it happened. Slipped by us. They haven't had the resources to go retrieve some, so here we are, donating all of our time, and we're getting quite a bit of cutoffs. You know, it's a lot of kindling. You got to keep on feeding the stove a lot, but it'll get you through the night, and all your animals and stuff will live, and so will you. And that's the point. I've got to talk to this outfit and see if I can like beg them to leave a trailer here, a couple trailers where they can just fill with all their cutoffs. You know, like it'd just be great to show up and take the cutoffs, kind of like we do with the straw. Maybe in the future with negotiation. Time to finally change this tire. I was going to bust out the high lift jack, but I just wanted to see if the tractor has the ability to lift it up just enough, you know, so I can get the old one off. Sometimes I'm surprised at what it cannot do, and I'm also surprised at the things that it can do. I just don't want to flip the trailer. It's off the ground, but it's almost off the ground with both wheels. It's usually a disaster when it's on the point of a triangle. One step at a time, I guess. Alright, I'm clear off the ground now, and it looks like the weight is shifting to the other wheel, so it should be safe. Just got to drop it on the ground now, loosen the lugs, roll the other tire over here, which if I would have been thinking about it, should have picked up with the bucket of the tractor. Might still do that because it's a huge, enormous tire. Need to also find my crossbar. So it's a 13/16 socket, which I have. 3/8 drive, I have that too. But, man, it's just ill-advised to try to change a tire like this because you just got no leverage at all. We'll see if I can do it though. I was able to get all of them but one loose. I had to go get an extension because the handle was hugging the rim. Now this one's just being a pain. Ill-advised. This is liable to break everything, maybe even your ankle. This is where leverage comes into play usually, hence the long breaker bar. Wow. It's actually moving the whole rim. Goodness. Oh, come on, Bia. You know you want to kick the tire. See?
No, lift it though.
Yeah. You have to run and then kick it again and run and kick again.
You do that.
I've slung plenty of tires in my day, that's for sure. Dad used to change tires. Watch your fingers, I'm still bleeding. How to change a tire by yourself. Step 1, grab your tractor, lift the trailer in the air like Hercules. Step 2, have a wife roll over the tire for you. Alright. This is an adventure, let me tell you. Thank you, madam.
Got some oil so we can put on the posts.
Oh, good call. That's annoying. You could just dip the nuts in the oil too. Milady? Hey, you're breaking it, man. Might want to, let's check the brakes out. How are they? Oh yeah, they're not there. Okay, go ahead and put it back. That was another job we had to do. Lovely assistant's gonna lower it nice and easy. All the way. Oh, whoa. Rides high. There we go. It only took us a week to change a tire. A tractor, 2 people. Alright, we can tow water again.
I gotta see if I can get out of here.
Careful, it'll squeeze you. Here.
Okay. No.
Negative.
Yeah.
You need pliers?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, pup. We finally showed up to get some wood for the awesome neighbors.
It's nice and quiet. Don't have to worry about nobody trespassing on your land except for the rocks.
Oh, the rocks up there are beautiful. Yeah, but it's nice when the neighbors are them and they're like a mile away.
Nice. Cool. This is gonna be great.
And the guy that took the first load said that it splits good. You know,
Awesome.
cottonwood kind of glues together.
You making friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now. Let's see what.
Hang on a second, Larry. Larry, what do you think? You want to try the second one?
No, look at how low it is. you want to make it home.
Larry, what's your call, sir?
Wow.
Wow?
Wow, wait.
Yeah, just come back.
Oh, wow, man.
That's a lot of weight.
So we're good then?
Is it too much weight?
No, that's too much, but it's a lot. You gotta pull it forward anyway.
Yep. And then we're gonna have to lock it in. It might be good to set on its flat, but I don't know if we can do that.
Yeah, we can.
Flip it this way and
Or
then...
do you want to keep pulling on the winch? I'll make sure that this doesn't get tangled. Other way. Other way.
I can't believe that all we can fit is one of these rounds. I thought we'd for sure like have the whole thing loaded up to the top, but we wouldn't be able to pull it.
Yeah, no.
That's why I thought we'd have a lot more on. But it's so damn heavy.
Yeah. Gotta go slow on the road back, that's for sure. That was a super amazing adventure, and I'm glad it's done with. It's totally worth the effort to go hook up the awesome neighbors with wood, you know. it's probably got to be really difficult once you get up there in years to go get wood for your wood stove and stuff. And you ain't got cash to just drop like $3 grand on a pellet stove and power source to run it all night, you know? So we're probably gonna spend the next few days drumming up some more firewood for them. See if we can not get them set for the winter to where they're stop stressing about it, you know? Other than that, winter's upon us pretty soon. It's weird weather today, nice and warm, like balmy 60. But it's gonna be cold soon for a while. I gotta get my list figured out what I want to do for the winter, because it's hard to get out and do stuff when it's like 5 degrees. I hope your Saturday's been a good one. Just make it a great Sunday. Hopefully next week brings something good for you, huh? See you soon, and thank you very much for watching. Watching. Really appreciate it. See you next time. Ah!